Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will see the new topic of carbohydrate metabolism, Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle. So many questions asked in the MCQ in the online. All the metabolisms, glycolysis cycle, beta oxidation, fatty acid, Krebs cycle. Now see today. Now discuss the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle is also known as, or citric acid cycle is also known as tricarboxylic acid cycle, in short form TCA cycle, is also known as the TCA cycle. See the name of the cycles. One cycle asked in the different way. Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, is also known as the tricarboxylic acid cycle, TCA. It is central pathway. It is central pathway from release of energy from acetyl CoA which is produced from glycolysis, catabolism of fatty acids or amino acids. The Krebs cycle, it is a central metabolic centralized pathway. It is release the energy by acetyl CoA. This acetyl CoA is obtained from, कहाँ से मिलता है अपने को? That's from the glycolysis cycle and the end product of beta oxidation of fatty acid. That means catabolism of the fatty acids or amino acid. इससे acetyl CoA मिलता है and that acetyl CoA release the energy. It is in aerobic metabolism. Aerobic in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic organisms. The TCA pathway or Krebs cycle pathway. TCA or Krebs cycle pathway is a metabolic product. Metabolic pathway. It's a metabolic pathway involved in the chemical conversions. Involved in the chemical conversion of carbohydrate fats and protein into carbon dioxide and water to generate the form of visual energy. How they generate the energy? By in aerobic organisms in the Krebs cycle. It is a metabolic pathway. It is involved in the chemically conversions carbohydrate, fats and the protein to form carbon dioxide and the water, and they generate the energy for those requiring the body usual energy. Means it is a central pathway release the energy from acyl CoA, which produce from glycolysis, catabolism of fatty acids or amino acids. Now in the aerobic organisms, Krebs cycle, it is a metabolic pathway, central metabolic pathway. It is involved the chemical conversions. A chemical conversions means those food you have to take, carbohydrate, fats and the protein, and that the end product should be give the carbon dioxide and the water and to release the energy. That is called the TCA cycle. Now in the Krebs cycle, the pyruvate entered TCA cycle as acetyl CoA via oxidize completely to carbon dioxide and the water to release the energy. Okay, this pyruvate is entered TCA cycle. It is obtained by pyruvate. It should be the obtained by fatty acid of the oxidation of acyl beta oxidation of fatty acids, amino acid, protein, carbohydrate metabolism. They release the acyl CoA. This acyl CoA is joined to the pyruvate and oxidize completely. It gives the carbon dioxide and water and release the energy. Now see the cycle. See very properly the cycle. This always asks, and on MCQ question asks conversion so and so test which enzyme are used is so important. Now the pyruvate in the TCA cycle, pyruvate entered, it completely oxidized is the acyl CoA. Now see the first, this pyruvate this is obtained by where is how is come is here pyruvate, beta oxidation of fatty acid and glycolysis, carbohydrate metabolisms. They are release the pyruvate and they join to the acyl CoA. ये acyl CoA में it should be acyl CoA. There is oxidized completely pyruvate with the acyl CoA. That's why here is enzyme CoA T carboxylated. Remove the carbon dioxide and presence of NADA convert to the NADH plus H. That acyl CoA convert to the release the CoA and oxaloacetate join to form citrate in the presence of enzyme citrate synthetase and addition of water molecules. Now the first step is so important. The pyruvate, that is a condensation reaction. The pyruvate with the oxaloacetate, pyruvate with the oxaloacetate. See that this pyruvate with the oxaloacetate the condensation of acetyl CoA. Now the first step, is important, so important. How you can write down this step? Are you understand? This step, the first step. The first step, that condensation reaction. This is the condensation reaction. See, condensation of acyl CoA obtained from pyruvic acid with oxaloacetate to from citric acid in the presence of citrate synthesis. See the reaction. The first step is condensation reaction. ये जो reaction है first, it should be this step is called the condensation reaction. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Condensation reaction. The acetyl CoA, this acetyl CoA, it is obtained from where? ये कहाँ से obtained हुआ? That is, you know, the beta oxidation of fatty acid, the catabolism of lipid and fats. Beta oxidation of fatty acid amino acid, okay, it is obtained. Condensation reaction take place. Acyl CoA, it is obtained from pyruvic acid pyruvate to the oxaloacetate to form citrate in the presence of citrate synthesis. First step is so difficult. Okay, can you understand? See, कैसे ये जो असाइल कोए है ये कहाँ से मिला आपने को? पायरुविक एसिड से विथ ऑक्सोलोएसिटेट से. और असाइल कोए कहाँ से आया आपने को? दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन. ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ पायरुविक एसिड गेट टू ऑक्सीडाइज टू गिव द असाइल कोए. असाइल कोए रिलीज द कोए एंड असाइल कोए ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ फैटी. कहाँ से मिला आपने को? बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन फैटी एसिड अमीनो एसिड से. देन pyruvic acid with the oxaloacetate, that is a condensation reaction of acyl CoA obtained from pyruvate with the oxaloacetate to form citrate in the presence of citric acid synthesis. Are you understand? Now this is the first step. Again I repeat, the condensation reaction of acyl CoA obtained from pyruvate with the oxaloacetate, to form citrate in the presence of citrate synthesis. And acyl CoA, it is obtained from beta oxidation and the amino acid, that is a catabolism of fatty acids. Okay, now the second step. Now see the second step. The citrate is convert to isocitrate. ये citrate convert to isocitrate बोलते हो, citrate बोलो, as depend on your pronunciation. In the presence of enzyme एकोनिटेज. कौन सा एंजाइम है? एकोनिटेज. एंड इसमें क्या है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ फेरस. ओके, citrate is converted to the isocitrate in the presence of aconitase and the ferrous, that is a Fe2 plus. Okay, the isocitrate undergoes the oxidation. यह अभी आइसोसाइट्रेट है. Is goes to the undergoes to the oxidation in the presence of enzyme. कौन सा है एंजाइम है? आइसोसाइट्रेट dehydrogenase, that is oxidation take place. Isocitrate is converted to the oxalosuccinate. Oxalosuccinate in the presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase, oxidation reaction take place, and NAD, that NAD release the two molecule of ATP, the H plus and the H plus. Okay, are you understand the third step? This should be the third stage. The isocitrate is converted to the oxaloacetate in the presence of isocitrate. Oxidation undergoes the oxidation reaction. Isocitrate convert to the oxalosuccinate in the presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase, and NAD oxidation is take place. And oxaloacetate oxalosuccinate to form alpha keto glutarate in the presence of oxalosuccinate to form alpha in the presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme. Okay, the stage number 4, oxalosuccinate to form alpha ketoglutarate in the presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase, decarboxylase reaction take place. कौन सा reaction हुआ यहाँ पे? Decarboxylation reaction take place. Next, then alpha ketoglutarate टू फॉर्म, अभी इसमें क्या, अल्फा कीटा ग्लूकोनेट टू फॉर्म सक्सिनिल कोए, द सक्सिनिल कोए इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंजाइम अल्फा कीटो glutarate dehydrogenation, okay, dehydrogenations, decarboxylic reaction take place in the addition of CoA, that is a alpha ketoglutarate to form succinyl CoA in the presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and addition of CoA, that is a decarboxylation reaction take place. The succinyl CoA gets to convert to succinic acid. Succinyl CoA get to convert to the succinic acid. Next step, succinyl CoA get convert to the succinic acid. Enzyme is succinate thiokinase. In the presence of enzyme succinate thio, enzyme is succinate thiokinase. The next step, succinic acid to form fumaric acid. succinic acid to form fumaric acid in the presence of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Succinate dehydrogenase. See very properly here, don't make silly mistakes. The succinic acid to form a fumaric acid in the presence of succinic dehydrogenase, and then reaction is dehydrogenation take place of the succinic acids in the presence of succinic dehydrogenase. In the presence of FADH2 to FAD, in the presence of FAD and that fumaric acid to form a, you also write down here is the fumaric acid, here write down in the fumarate, okay, that's the fumaric acid. Next should be the fumaric acid to form malic acid, fumaric acid to form malic acid in the presence of water molecule. Here is a water molecule and enzyme is fumarase. The fumaric acid to form of the malic acid in the presence of enzyme fumarase and the water molecules, and the malic acid undergoes oxidation to form oxaloacetate in the presence of malate dehydrogenase and NAD molecule convert to the NADH plus H, okay, and cycle get repeated again, enters the another molecule of CoA, that is called the Krebs cycle. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Krebs cycle. अरे कागज नहीं नीचे लिया ना, that's why the, okay, see what it will be, you can see, are you understand? Again I can explain very briefly and not briefly, very I can explain the thoroughly. Now you can see first condensation of C, most common, don't make CAB, okay, sapara. First, the condensation of acetyl CoA obtained from pyruvic with the oxaloacetate in the presence of citric acid, citrate synthesis to get the citrate. First reaction is most important. The acyl pyruvic acid oxidation take place. These are the oxidative reaction. Pyruvate to form acyl CoA. This is the decarboxylase. In the presence of CoA decarboxylase is oxidative reaction take place. Then the acyl CoA condensation reaction take place. Acyl CoA obtained from the pyruvate with the oxaloacetate in the presence of citrate synthesis to form citric acid. Second step, citrate is converted to the isocitrate in the presence of acetonates and ferrous. Isocitrate is converted to the oxalosuccinate in the presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase and NADA, that is decarboxylation reaction take place. Oxalosuccinate to convert to the alpha ketoglutarate in the presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase. Here is also decarboxylation reaction take place. Alpha ketoglutarate to form succinyl CoA in the presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase and addition of CoA, and in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate and dehydrogenase and the CoA, succinyl CoA to form succinic acid in the presence of succinic thiokinase enzyme. succinic acid to get fumaric acid. In the presence of succinate dehydrogenase, and FAD, the undergoes the dehydrogenation. Fumaric acid to form malic acid in the presence of fumarate and the water molecule, and the malic acid to form oxaloacetic in the presence of malate dehydrogenase and NADA. The cycle again get repeat again by the entrance the another molecule of CoA. Okay, stop.